Hey guys, welcome again to the Crypto Fellow channel, where we bring you updates around the blockchain ecosystem and the crypto space. So today we're going to be exploring an important platform in the crypto space, the Interlay Bitcoin DeFi Hub. The Interlay Bitcoin DeFi Hub. So we're going to be looking at how to swap using this platform, how to swap some of your tokens to any other tokens you want per se. But for this video, we're going to be swapping the DOT token to the Interlay token, and also you can make use of the Interlay Bitcoin DeFi Hub for BTC staking and some other DeFi activities, DeFi functions. So we're just going to head on into the app as fast as possible and look at how to swap. So we go to app.interlay.io. Once you're there, also remember to get your Talisman wallet ready. Although the Interlay DeFi Hub allows you to make use of some other wallets like Nova Wallet and Sub Wallet and the Polkadot.js wallet, all of which are native to the Polkadot or the Sama ecosystem. So but for this video, we're going to be using the Talisman wallet. So I have my Talisman wallet ready. So you come here and you can connect. So I have my Talisman wallet already connected. You can change it if you so wish. You can change the wallet. So you can change to Nova Wallet, Sub Wallet, Parity, Signer, Companion, or the Polkadot.js. But for this video, we're going to be using the Talisman wallet. So let's go. Talisman wallet. I have my account connected. You can work with your BTC. You can send and receive tokens. You can lend your token out. You can swap, which is what we're going to be doing in this video. Then you can provide liquidity to different pools. Also, you can stake some of your tokens. So let's go to the swap function. Swap function as fast as possible. So I have my DOT token. I have around 5 DOT tokens. So I just click on that, the DOT tokens. Then I click on the token I want to swap to, whether my IBTC, USDT, or the Inter token. So I choose whichever one I want to swap to. So let's say I pick my IBTC or Inter token. Let me pick the Inter token. So I say maximum for swapping. Then I'm going to be getting 2,289 Inter tokens on this swap. So I click on swap and it confirms the transaction in my wallet. So my wallet pops up. As you can see on the screen, my wallet pops up. So I have my transaction here. So I approve it. So I can approve it. I approve. Then the estimated fee. Then the transaction goes through. The Interlay Bitcoin DeFi Hub is a very easy platform to do all of your DeFi transactions. So you can see transaction successful, swapped 5 dots to 2,289 Inter tokens. Very easy. You can check, you can view the transaction on Subscan. So very easy, very fast. So that will be all on how to use the Interlay Bitcoin DeFi Hub for swapping. So until next time, where we'll come and check some other functions you can do with the Interlay Bitcoin DeFi Hub. Stay safe.